Want a smartwatch but don't know where to start? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're putting the Garmin Forerunner 970 and the Suunto Race 2 head-to-head to see which one truly stands out. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one is worth your attention. Let's get into it. Technical specifications. Comparative analysis. Talking about the materials and build. The Garmin Forerunner 970 features a lighter 47mm design with a titanium bezel and fiber-reinforced polymer case, focused on performance and comfort, while the Suunto Race 2 uses a more rugged 49mm stainless steel or titanium build, with stronger 10-atmosphere water resistance compared to Garmin's weaker 5-atmosphere water resistance. The Forerunner 970 has a 1.4-inch AMOLED display with 454 by 454 resolution, while the Suunto Race 2 has a larger 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED display with 466 by 466 resolution. Both use sapphire crystal protection, though Suunto gives slightly more screen area. The Garmin offers up to 15 days of battery life and 21 hours of dual-band GPS, while the Suunto Race 2 reaches up to 16 days and 50 hours of dual-band GPS, giving Suunto a major endurance advantage. Both include 32GB storage, but Garmin adds music storage, while Suunto focuses on offline mapping. Garmin includes ECG, skin temperature, speaker and mic support, Garmin Pay, music storage, and advanced training tools, while Suunto focuses on heart rate, SpO2, HRV, training peaks tools, offline maps, and Suunto Plus Sport features. Garmin clearly leads in smartwatch features, while Suunto delivers a more focused training-first experience. The Garmin Forerunner 970 launched in May 2025 at $749.99, positioned in the premium segment. The Suunto Race 2 launched in August 2025 at $499 steel and $599 titanium, offering a more affordable option with strong performance-focused features. Choose the Garmin Forerunner 970 if you want advanced training metrics, triathlon tools, and richer smart features. Choose the Suunto Race 2 if you prioritize long battery life, rugged endurance use, and better value for ultra-distance or adventure-focused training. Reddit user sentiment also often favors Garmin for ecosystem depth and Suunto for battery and design. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.